Hello, my name is Johnny Jennings. I'm a real estate agent with the Made for More team here in Roseville, California. And I just want to share two things that we're doing to help agents out right now in the market. Thing number one is we have a tax strategy workshop taking place today from 11 to 1. We have a ton of people signed up for that. And what we're going to do is we're bringing out my personal CPA. He's volunteered to do this. You don't have to change CPAs, but he's going to give you tax strategies that could save you $10,000 or more in your tax filings this year. If you've already filed, save the money next year. Learn the strategies now so you can implement them next year. Second event we're doing today is we have a call jam. Over 75 people are registered for that, and so it's going to be a fantastic time. We will do some script training at the beginning. If you have scripts you want to use, it's totally fine. And then we're going to hop on the phones, and we're just going to be calling people who we know and who we like and who want to hear from us. So it's very, very fun, very easy, and everybody that stays to the end is entered in to win a $100 gift card. So if you're interested in either of those events, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me a DM so that way I can get you the information, or hop on Eventbrite. All our events are always there, so make sure you follow us on Eventbrite. Anyways, we love agents. Hope to see you later today. Talk soon. Take care.